Hi everyone and dear Pega aspirants. Myself Harsha, I am Pega trainer from Harsha Trainings and I am going to make series of videos about the concept of assignment and routing. So in this series of videos, I am going to explain in detail about what is routing and what are the different ways of routing and what are the tables for assignment and what is the clipboard page of an assignment, and like this in-depth details about assignment and routing concept you'll be finding the 4 videos in this series. If you are watching the video about the routing concept, there may be few videos which are before this video and after this video. You will be able to find total 4 videos about routing concept. Please don't forget to watch the videos in sequence. And as a first video, I am going to explain about what is assignment and what is work list, what is work basket, and what is the concept of routing to work list and routing to work basket. So before we proceed to watch the video about this explanation, so just a small announcement that we are going to start a new training batch on Pega starting from May 31st onwards. The training duration is 3.5 months. It's a real-time project-oriented training and a job guarantee placement-oriented training. And anyone who has career gap after their education or who are pursuing any job in non-IT or IT industry, or those who are pursuing BTech as a fresher also, you are eligible to learn Pega to get into Pega jobs. So, and one more thing is, if you like our videos and the content, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please make sure that if you have any questions, don't forget to post the questions in the comment section. The questions may be about the technical questions or maybe the career guidance questions. So let's get on to the video of assignment and routing to work list and work basket now. But let me explain you the concept of assignment. Okay, this is assignment sheet. You already aware of assignment since long back. We were working on assignment sheet for one of the primary purpose of assignment that we are using it. What was the primary purpose so far that we are using it? To call the flow action, whether it is in the process flow or whether it is in the screen flow, we are trying to call a flow action. That is one of the primary purpose of assignment. Other than that, there is another primary purpose of assignment. Okay, that other primary purpose, what is meant by assignment? You need to understand the meaning. Assignment means in a work environment, what is meant by assignment? Assignment is a task. Assignment is a task. You need to understand the difference. Work object is equal to work, that is equal to entire flow. Entire flow is equal to complete work. In a work you have a number of tasks. Each task is equal to one assignment. Task may be even utility also, that's a background task. Okay, so assignment is equal to one task. So suppose if I have 5 tasks, I will be assigning task 1 to person 1, task 2 to person 2, task 3 to person 3, like this. Each task I can assign to dedicatedly one individual. Possible or not possible? One task I have taken dedicatedly, I have assigned it to student 1 in my class. Second task I have taken dedicatedly, I have assigned second task to student 2. Understand? This is how a task can be dedicatedly assigned to someone. Suppose if there is a task that is assigned to student 1, can student 2 access it? Is it possible for student 2 to access the task that is dedicatedly assigned to student 1? Is it possible or not possible? In general, no, it is not possible. Student 1 only can see, okay, and in his whatever the place that he has for the tasks, and he only can access, he only can work. Student 2 cannot access, student 3 cannot access. This is one way of assigning a task. Assigning a task to a dedicated person. Person here is operator, right? A task can be, an assignment can be assigned dedicated to single operator that will be accessible only to that operator, not for others. There is another approach. An assignment can be assigned and placed in a common bucket. Common bucket. Common bucket means, or you call it as basket. What do you call? Basket. You understand what is bucket basket? If I place a task in a basket I'll just push the basket and say that operator 1, 2, 3, any one of you can take the task from the basket. This basket I'm dedicatedly giving to operator 1, operator 2, operator 3. Means 3 of them can see the basket or not. 3 of them can see the task in the basket or not. Any one of these 3 will be able to access the task or not. Imagine 3 people are there. They are holding one basket. I placed a task in the basket. Out of these 3 can see the task, but operator 1 out of these 3 has picked the task and working on it. What about operator 2 and 3? Will they be able to work on the same task? Yes or no? No. What is the reason? Imagine there is a basket. In that basket, I have placed one book. Okay, 3 people are there around the basket. Out of three, one person has taken the book and opening and writing something. What about other 2? Will they be able to do it? Because it is already locked. That is because of default locking. Locking concept is there, right? Others cannot work on it. Now, this is the concept of basket. I have 10 baskets. I have 30 operators. Operator 1, 2, 3. Basket 1, 4, 5, 6. Basket 2. If I place a task in basket 1, can operator 4, 5, 6 able to see the basket 1? Is it possible? No, because I did not give them access to basket 2. So a basket is a common bucket where you can push the tasks. Only those operators who have access to the basket can see the basket tasks. Understand? I'll show you. Whenever an operator login, operators dedicated assignments which are being assigned to that particular operator can be accessed from my work. If operator log in and go to my work, all the tasks that he is seeing cannot be seen by others because these tasks are only for him. So my work means my own work that has been assigned to me alone. And you go to dashboard and scroll down. Here you see work queues, right? None of the queues have tasks here. But if I click on a queue, and here it may display tasks. But this queue, same queue, maybe other operator when he log in, he may see one basket. Here, the other terminology provided by Pega starting from Pega 7.2 is equal to queue. To route a task to a dedicated operator or route a task to one specific queue or basket, you call it as. If it is queue or basket, that may be accessible to more than one person, can be seen. And if it is dedicated operator, only one operator can access. So one of the primary purpose of assignment is assigning task to someone. Assigning task to someone, the technical terminology is called as routing. What is it called as? Routing means assigning an assignment to either a single dedicated operator or to a common bucket, into a common bucket. That bucket will be accessible to list of multiple operators. Who is that list? I'll tell you later. Everyone clear so far? To understand the concept of routing, how many ways of routing is there? 2 ways of routing primarily. What are those?
Single dedicated operator or
Routing to single operator, routing to common bucket. Not that is not multiple operators. Multiple operators routing is different. We'll practically work on that also. Routing to dedicated operator, routing to bucket is different from routing to multiple people. That is different. That I'll tell you later. Common bucket. That is called routing to single operator. Single operator routing is called as routing to work list. What do you call it? Routing to work list. Routing to common bucket is called as routing to work queue or basket. Basket was old terminology. Queue is a terminology starting from Pega 7.2 onwards. Okay, everyone clear? So these are the 2 ways. Other than this, routing external is also available. External means I'll tell you just as an example. If I route from Pega in .NET application, they can access. In an email, they will get a link. They click on the link, it will open the assignment in the browser. They will finish there. Further, they won't see. That is called external. That is webmesh concept. Leave it. Okay, and routing, you will do it by using assignment shape. If you double click on assignment shape, let me check out this to show you. Is screen flow or I pass?
Harsha, this is not our
Not a problem. I was telling like concept I'm explaining. Application is not a big deal. Look at here. Route to operator. You give an operator ID here. Any operator ID. Or route to work queue. You mention the name of the work queue here. Okay, some name of the work. We will be doing all of this. So you either route to single operator, you either route to common bucket. If you route to single operator, when operator login and go to my work, you will see. If you route to work queue, operator login and go to dashboard, and on the right bottom you will see that. Okay, everyone clear? And how this routing will happen? Okay, in order to implement this routing, PRPC internally runs some activities, out of which the important activity is to work, not important, the main activity, to work list. This is the activity that gets executed whenever an assignment is routed to single operator. When an assignment is routed to single operator, what is the activity that gets executed? To work list. When an assignment is routed to work queue or work basket, the activity that gets executed in the background is to work basket. To work basket. See, to work list activity and to work basket activity. These two activities are of type route. What are these activity types? Route. Activity type routing can be called an assignment shape. Okay. So these activities are for the purpose of routing to single operator and routing to work queue. Okay. So routing to single operator, OOTP activity that runs in the background is to work list. Routing to common bucket, the OOTP activity that gets executed in the background is to work basket. Okay. And these are the activities that runs. And here you go now. See, when a work object reaches an assignment, work object is instance of class group, right? Work object details will get stored into which table? Work table. Work object data will get stored into work table. A work object created, it has reached an assignment. Assignment gets created, then work object is created. Within the work object, what else is getting created? Assignment gets created. Assignment gets created as an instance of either assign dash work list class or assign dash work basket class. Assign dash work basket. So far, everything that we have seen, property, section, flow, action, flow, any rule, or even work object also, that may be instance of only one class at a given point of time, right? Assignment can be instance of either of these two classes. When an assignment gets created, it may get created as instance of assign dash work list, or it may get created as an instance of assign dash work basket class. How come it is one of the two classes? Let me explain. See, in the routing here, I'm going to choose route to operator, and here I have chosen operator ID, some operator ID. Okay, submit. And here, when you choose routing, you will get this arrow mark. That arrow mark means routing is done. And here, route to work queue, and some work queue name I am choosing. Don't bother about what I am choosing here, and simply route it. When work object reaches this assignment, it is routed to single operator work list, right? This assignment gets created as an instance of assign dash work list class. And work object reaches this particular assignment. What is the routing? To work queue. This assignment gets created as an instance of assign dash work basket class. So routing decides to which class the assignment to be created as instance. If that particular assignment routing is done for single operator, then what is the instance class of that assignment? Assign dash work list. If that particular assignment routing is done for work basket or work queue, you say, that is instance of which class? Assign dash work basket class. Understand, everyone clear? Online resources.
Yes, sir.
And now, see, if an instance is created, that should have a storage or not? So assignment that is being created, will get stored into one of the two tables in the backend. I will ask you a question after showing the table name. Assign dash work list table. I'm sorry, PC assign work list table, PC assign work basket table. Both are same. A table, one table copied into another one, two names. So assignment gets stored into either PC assign work list table or PC assign work basket table. Can you guess and tell me? Assignment gets stored into work list as well as work basket. I mean, like, it may be either work list or work basket. At what moment it gets stored into work list table? At what moment it gets stored into work basket table?
Depending on routing.
If routing is being done for single operator, that assignment gets created as an instance of assign dash work list class and stores into PC assign work list table. If routing is done for work basket, that assignment gets created is going to get created as instance for assign dash work basket class and stores into PC assign work basket. I have a flow with 10 assignments. Is there any possibility that few of the assignments will be there in work list table, few will be there in work basket table? Possibility is there? Is it there or not there? Few assignments stored into work list, few assignments stored into work basket. So work object reached as assignment shape. When work, why it is not getting open? Let me close and open again. Imagine work object has reached assignment. It is routed to single operator. It will get stored into which table? PC assign work list. Entered into PC assign work list table. Now operator logged in. Operator when operator log in, he will go to my work. He will see the records here, right? These records are from which table?
Worklist.
Work list.
PC assign work list table record. Now operator will open the assignment. Okay. Submit this. Once the submit is done, assignment gets finished. Assignment gets finished. In order to finish the assignment, gets finished, work list table will get removed. Am I audible clearly, everyone?
Your voice is breaking.
Hold on.
No, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, I have connected to another network. Okay, I should be audible clearly. See, when an assignment is being created and routed to single operator, that gets created as instance of assign dash work list class and gets stored into PC assign work list table. This is the connection. Operator login, go to my work, or maybe go to dashboard. If it is work list, you'll go to my work. If it is dashboard, you'll go to work basket. Either work list or work basket, assignments will be there. Now he will open the assignment and finish the assignment. Once the assignment is submitted, an OOTV activity runs in the background. What is the activity name? Finish assignment. That will complete the assignment. Assignment is completed, right? So the record from the work list table or work basket table will get removed. The record from either work list table or work basket table will get removed. Assignment created, record inserted into work list or work basket table accordingly. Assignment completed, record will be deleted from work list or work basket table. Everyone clear? Online resources. Okay. So that is about the table. And related to these tables, there are two important columns which we need to remember forever. Okay. Let us see what are those. So see, in this table, assignment is getting stored, right? Assignment, when it gets stored, routing information also gets stored in this table in one of the columns. Means to whom this has been assigned. So that information will be stored in a column PX assigned operator ID. What is the column name? PX assigned. PX assigned operator ID column in work list or work basket table talks about to whom this assignment has been assigned, routed. Okay, if I say assignment created, routing is mentioned as operator 1, but when you log in with operator 1, it is not there. In the my work, it is not been shown up. So how do you verify? Where do you verify? You need to go to this table, and that ID related data you have to see here. To whom it has been assigned, you have to find out whether it is blank or assigned to someone. Troubleshooting can be done. Now, okay, work object is there in work table. Assignments are there in assignment table, open assignments. So assignment table has 100 records, means 100 assignments. 100 assignments belongs to different work objects. Which assignment is related to which work object? How does the process command knows that? There should be a relation. There should be a relation. In work object table, page key value will be there, right? The same value will be added here in a column called px ref object key. What is the column name? See, px ref object key column value here is equal to work object id page key in work table. See, work object id page key is there. Page key 1, 2, 3 is there, for example. When assignment is created, a record will be inserted in this table related to assigned to operator 1, and this column will have the page key of that work object. For a given work object, if you wanted to know its open assignments, you need to query PC assign work list or work basket table with the page key of the work object on the column px ref object key. Forever in lifetime, you need to remember px assigned operator id column and px ref object key column here, and this is matching with page key of work table. Understand, everyone? Clear? So for a given work object, what are all the assignments open? If I want to find out, I need to query taking the page key of work object, the table PC assign work list or assign work basket on a column called px ref object key. Understand, everyone? Clear? Every one of you online resources. Everyone online clear? So all these column names you should know, because when you are troubleshooting or when you are trying to do some modifications to PRPC, you need all this. Okay, this is about assign dash work list table, work basket tables, and the columns will be same both places. Now a little more about assignment. Look at here. When an assignment gets created, if I'm going to run this flow, run this assignment created, just hold on. Assignment has been created. Assignment that is created, assignment data will be there on clipboard. Assignment data will be there on clipboard under user pages on a system created page. What is the page name? New assign page. Page name is new assign page. New assign page is the page on which the current open assignment data will be there. See, new assign page is referring to assign dash work list. Okay. See, if I am going to submit this, next assignment will be graded. Routing I did not show here. I will show you later. Okay. Just let this completed. See, this assignment, you go to clipboard, new assign page, you see. Actually that routing I did not give my dedicated work, this application related work baskets. So see, new assign page will get created. If the assignment is routed to single operator, then new assign page gets created referring to assign dash work list class. Suppose if the assignment is routed to work basket, this new assign page gets created referring to work basket class, assign dash work basket class. So this is overall information so far about assignment. An assignment is an instance of class, either assign dash work list or assign dash work basket. And assignment, when it is been created, it is going to get stored into either PC assign work list table or PC assign work basket table. How How it is going to decide? Based on routing. One
Okay.
of the primary purpose of assignment is routing. If an assignment is being routed to single operator, then that assignment gets created as an instance of assign-worklist and gets stored into PC assign worklist table, and the assignment data will be available on Clipboard on a page called new assign page, which will refer to assign-worklist class, and the OOTP activity that gets executed is to worklist, which is of type route. Clear? And when operator login, in order to see the assignments which are being dedicatedly routed to him, he has to go to my work. This is all about single operator. When assignment is routed to work basket or work queue, this operator when he login, when this assignment is created, its data on the clipboard, it is getting created as instance of assign-work basket class. Its data on the clipboard will be available on new assign page, but it will refer to assign-work basket class, and data gets stored into a table PC assign work basket. The OOTP activity that runs in the background is to work basket, which is of type route. And the two columns which we need to bother about in both of the tables, that is PX assigned operator ID, which tells to which operator or work basket it is being assigned or routed, and PX ref object key, which talks about the relation between work object and assignment. Value of work object. Everyone clear?